Hello, welcome to the fifth presentation on ShipWorks, the shipbuilding software for SolidWorks. In this presentation, we will focus markups and drawings. So let's start creating the marks for this plate. So I will open this assembly. I can create marks at any level of my ship, but it's easier to create a lower level. So I will create the marks on a flat plate. I want to mark this part, and this is the parts to be marked. Okay. So ShipWorks will create a set of sketches. Each sketch will have two lines and an arc. The arc will be pointing to the thickness direction. Okay. So this way, the cutting machines can mark the parts following that path. Okay, now the last one. ShipWorks will create also some marks for positioning of the plate in the ship. Okay, so here I have the marks pointing to the direction of thickness. Okay, so now to create a drawing of this plate, I just go to drawings, part drawing. I can specify the template I want to use and the parts I want to create the drawing. So if I do OK, the drawing file is created. The marks are in place in the drawing, and all the annotations are also placed with the references of the beams or the other plates that are connected to this plate. Okay. I also have the indication that this is upwards and this is port side, so to position the part in the ship. I can also create DXF files for all my plates. So I can specify where I want to store the DXFs, if I want to export the information to LANTEC or not, and what are the parts I want to export. If I do not specify any part, it will export all the parts. So let me just pick a few parts here. Okay, so accepting this, it will create DXF files in this DXF folder. ShipWorks will create subfolders according to the material and the thickness, and then inside it has the DXF files. If I open a DXF file, we can see that we have all the geometry here, and everything is divided by layers. So the markups are in one layer, the notes in another layer, and the geometry in a third layer. Okay. So in ShipWorks, users can create automatically drawings for all the sub-assemblies. As an option, users can define drawing templates, different drawing templates for different sub-assemblies. Okay. When created the drawings, users are asked to select the drawing template. If they want to use a different template per assembly, if they want automatically balloons to be placed on the drawing and bill of materials. So if they do OK, the drawings will be created, balloons will be placed, and the bill of materials will be also created. These drawings need to have predefined views, so users can define the view placement as they prefer. If I open one of these drawings, you can see that we put the references in the parts. Okay, let me open another one. Okay, we can define a symbol in the ShipWorks manager, a different symbol for each part type. Could be easier to look and to see if it is a beam or if it is a plate or a bracket or whatever. Material, weight, and the dimensions and quantities. So here I have once again all the references for the parts I have in my drawing. So that's all for this presentation. Please look for the next one. Thank you.